In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide likes on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. Then if you want to hide likes on an existing post, you can open up that post. Now it says liked by that user and 27 others, and if I want to hide likes on that particular post, I can hit at these three dots and then select hide like count. Now it says liked by that user and others. If you want to hide likes on a new post, you can do it while creating a post. Just hit at plus sign, then select photo or video, just like that. Then hit at next, next again, and on that step you can easily find advanced settings. You can get into it and you will be taken to this page where you can easily find hide like and view counts on this post. If you want to hide likes on that particular post, you need to turn this feature on. After that, you can go out back here, and then you can continue creating your post. You can add to their caption, tag someone, add location, all that stuff. Once you've done with that, just hit add share. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.